Hey everyone! Last time we applied damage by clicking a key. This time let's apply the damage using another actor, something similar to a damage zone. Let's start by making the damage zone first. Create a blueprint actor, add a plane to the root, just for the visuals, then add a collision box to it, so we have something to interact with. On event begin overlap, we cast to the player blueprint directly, in our case, BP third person character. Then hook it up with applied damage node, with base damage being 15. Now inside the third person character blueprint, copy the previous set of nodes and swap the debug key 1 event with any damage event. Now subtract the damage float from HP instead of damage value variable. That's it. This method uses hard reference by casting directly to a specific blueprint. Alternatively, let's start by creating blueprint interface calling it BPI HP depletion. Now rename the function to your heart desire and put in a flow type input for the function. I'm calling it damage. Now let's add the interface to the third person blueprint by going into class settings and clicking on add next to the implemented interfaces. Once added, you will be able to implement it in your blueprint itself. Just swap the event any damage with our event depletion. Also ensure that you swap the damage float from event any damage with our depletion damage float. Lastly, in damage zone, we swap the direct hardcast reference with our interface message soft reference and put in our desired damage amount. It is more optimized to use soft references instead of hard references, so use the interfaces whenever possible. Best part, you do not have to write the same logic in all other blueprints.